guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be going quickly through our weekly meal plan and just showing you guys what we have planned for the week and to just go over the recipes. So this is for April 4th to 10th. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom just to give you a snapshot of what the plan was. So this week I did have to go into the grocery store to shop. I went to Costco and it was a very different experience than I had in the past. So there were a lot of spacing between the lineups, and the lineups were around the building outside. But it was done in a way so that you can avoid being more than just 2 meters within other people, and I did appreciate that the efforts they were putting in to allow that to happen. It took a few hours to complete the whole process because of the waiting to go in and the lineups and all that, but they were fairly well stocked and I was able to get what we needed, and hopefully now I won't have to go out to shop again for another 2 to 3 weeks. So that was the plan this week. I will be doing some meal prep on Sunday. I'm going to be making a Thai chicken soup, some marinated pork chops, and a chocolate olive oil cake. And those, I'll be making a video for the chocolate olive oil cake, and hope you guys can see that come up next Saturday. So here are our meals for the week. Now, if you have been watching me for a little while, you're going to notice that the breakfast and lunch options are pretty much the same thing week to week. I do throw in some things differently here or there, but we kind of are keeping it simple these days, and I do still do the intermittent fasting, so we don't typically eat until noontime, and that is typically then a breakfast type meal. So we have eggs and that kind of thing. So yeah, 2 meals a day, and for the most part during the work week, I'm making cheddar and mushroom omelet with avocado or something similar. So that is the plan for this week as well. So that really leaves the only other variable is dinners. And you can see here, when I went to Costco, they did have their typical rotisserie chickens, although I did end up getting the cold ones. They have prepped and packaged. Usually when they have more from the previous day, I assume that's what it is. They are a little bit cheaper than the hot ones, and we didn't really need anything immediately. So I got the cold ones for about $2 cheaper, and we're going to be having just sandwiches with that, essentially. I'm going to be making a Chaffle bun, and that's what an easy Saturday dinner is going to be. Then Sunday, I'm going to be making some marinated pork chops with some green beans, and that'll actually be for a few days. So I like to, the meals I do make, I do like to space them out every other day or so during the week so that we have some variety from day to day. So yeah, that'll be for a few meals this week. And then the soup that I'm prepping on Sunday is going to feed us for about 3 days. And again, it'll be intermixed between the other meals that I make. So Thai chicken soup. So I will be making, I showed you in last week's video that I had made a bone broth with chicken. And that is the broth I'll be using to make this soup. And then again, the rotisserie chickens I got from Costco, those will be used in a future week to make bone broth, and it kind of has been a routine of ours to make at least one soup a week, and that's lots of good nutrients in there, and that's why I do that. So that's 3 meals this week. We have the Thai chicken soup, and then another day during the week we'll be using up some more of the chicken to make basically an easy sandwich meal, and then again Thursday is the last meal. We'll have those marinated pork chops. So that's our plan this week. And again, trying to keep it simple, do some prepping on the Sunday to make it easier. I'm still working from home, as a lot of you guys are. And so I do try to make it easier by doing the prep on Sunday. So that's everything. Let me know what you guys are having for your dinners this week and whatever meals you're planning. Also, do you guys do some prep on the weekend to make it easier? And that kind of thing. So yeah, put some comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, consider subscribing. I do have these weekly meal planning videos, but I also do put out 1 recipe a week on Saturdays. So you guys can check those out as well. I'll do a link above so you guys can see a playlist that have a lot of those recipes that I've recently put up. And that's it. So until next time, bye-bye.